US Janitorial is your best and only solution to make your ceilings look like new again. Our process restores ceilings to a beautiful new like and clean condition at the fraction of the cost of painting or replacing. We have 20 eco-friendly biodegradable solutions, and the knowledge and years of experience to solve this problem. Ceilings trap smoke, odor, grease, dust, and other pollutants. Our ceilings cleaning service is approximately 80% less than the cost of replacing. Call us now to learn more or to schedule an appointment.